I noticed large number of people have been traveling to China lately, and if you have friends or if you are making a video that's related to China, maybe this new assets from Filmora will help you make your China video so much more better. So let's dive in. I downloaded some clips from China. As you can see, the new assets are in transitions and in stickers. If you head on to your transitions and click on search, you will see China travel over here. Click on this and assets related to China will come up. There are a few ones that I like, for example, Chinese calligraphy. That works great for a transition, as well as ink landscape architecture as well. This is a sample of how it looks like. This is an ink style pack. This is what it looks like. The one behind is actually a sticker which we will cover shortly. And this is a travel journal transition. This is more general in a sense. However, you find that when you search for China travel as well. This is the China calligraphy transition. I think that it looks fantastic for me, especially with the ink drop style. And if you haven't familiar, this is quite similar to Chinese art painting where you see the colors are subdued. And finally, this is the ink landscape architecture. Great if you have lost of scene, and you can see this transition have something like a bridge and images that are synonymous with China. If you go to stickers, they have created stickers like the location. Or this is the Shanghai one. So if you click on it, place it here. Of course, you can add transitions to it as well. Besides, there are also graphics like this that may work for your video as well if you are portraying travel videos. Now, you don't necessarily have to use it just for China, as you can use it as a collage when you put it at the beginning of your travel videos or your vlogs. Hope that you learned something from this video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and check out what's on the screen right now for the next Filmora tip.